Welcome to today's episode of Learning Chords. We're going to look at the James Bond chord and how you can use it in your music. Let's get started. The James Bond chord is what's called a minor major 7 chord. To build one, you take a minor triad and then add a major 7th interval, hence the name. Let's take the chord G minor. To find a major 7th interval, you go up 1 octave from the root and then down a half step to the note F sharp. Add the note F sharp to a G minor chord and you have a G minor major 7. The minor major 7 chord has a variety of uses. In a major key, you can substitute it in place of a diatonic 4 chord in a progression. Here's an example where the first time will be without a minor major 7 and the second time will be with one. If you have a chord progression in a minor key, you can change the final tonic resolution to a minor major 7 as a new ending. And that's it. This is one of my favorite chords to use in a progression because it can go in so many places, even though I've only gone over a few here. I hope this video helps you in your songwriting process, and thank you for watching.